Hey guys, Flo here. This cabbage rice that I want to share with you is a quick and easy one. If you often have leftover boiled white rice, who doesn't? This is one way you can revamp that rice. Pimp it up beyond recognition. Let's go. I've already chopped the ingredients before I thought about making a video of this. I'll be using cabbage, mushroom, green and red peppers, red onions, carrots, salt, carrot oil, strips of chicken breast. You can also use strips of beef and leftover boiled white rice. The quantities of these ingredients are up to you. It depends on how busy you want the rice. Pour a bit of carrot oil into a frying pan. The link to how to make yours should pop up on the screen right now. Once it heats up, add the strips of chicken, making sure they are not stuck together. Fry each side till pale, then keep frying till it starts browning. I'm frying the whole thing in batches, just like fried rice. So this is the first batch of chicken. Fry that for 2 minutes, then add the first batch of onions. Fry for a bit and add the mushroom, shredded carrots. Fry for a bit and add the cabbage and the peppers. Fry for about 1 minute and add the leftover boiled white rice. Fry till everything is well heated up. Total frying time for everything is 6 minutes. You want the ingredients to still be alive by the time you are done, so don't fry for too long. Add some salt, stir very well and pour into a cool container. Repeat the process for the remaining batches. Here's what the one prepared with strips of beef looks like. You can serve it with any side dish, peppered chicken, salad, and many more. Yum, yum, yum. Bye bye. See you soon.